This is how our Saturday mornings should be. The gathering of some of the best car clubs this side of the Philippines as we celebrate the second day of the Clark International Festival of Speed.
Hey, we are enjoying a beautiful Saturday morning here in the Philippines. And this is the Clark International Speedway Festival of Speed weekend. And so the first thing we're kicking off is a car show. So let's check out some cars.
Day number 2 for 2025. Welcome to the Chubs Dubc. Thanks so much for waking up this early. Being part of this tradition of Seafoam. Like saying,
There he is.
Man,
Hey,
JD off course, everyone. JD
there you go, Chubs. Woo!
Philippines, Mini Pampanga, Sim to Premiere, and trending rides for kids. The Clark International Festival of Speed 2025, the second day of CFOs. Make sure you tag us up when you post your videos and photos online. CFOs PH is our official Instagram name.
Thank you. everyone in this video. We kicked off our weekend here in the Philippines with the Festival of Speed, sponsored by the Clark International Speedway. And this first event was a car show here in town, and there was just some beautiful, awesome cars in this event today. And this actually kicks off a whole weekend full of racing, displays, more cars, and lots of stuff. So in this video, we're covering the car show, and I'll get some more videos up pretty soon about the cars I see, some racing, just different things. It should be really interesting. So thank you so much for all the likes, comments. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this stuff from the Philippines. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.